Are you ready to bring the festive spirit of Bavaria straight into your backyard or living room? Picture hanging blue and white pennants, wooden benches set banquet style, massive pretzel-shaped wreaths at the entrance, and Oktoberfest classics like beer steins and pretzel garlands filling the air with merriment. Whether you're hosting friends, family, or a corporate celebration, these 10 creative design ideas will help you. Craft an immersive Oktoberfest experience, from cozy ambiance lighting and themed centerpieces to DIY photo walls and authentic table accents. Get ready to transform any gathering into a lively, gemütlich festival that celebrates Bavarian tradition and modern fun. Let's raise a toast and get decorating.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How do you create an authentic Bavarian scene with pennants and hanging decor? Begin by suspending classic Bavarian blue and white checkered pennants across ceilings or between trees, creating an instant festival canopy. Use varying lengths of garlands with pretzel, beer mug, or alpine flower cutouts, interspersed with verdant greenery to evoke a Biergarten vibe. Hang wooden plaques at entryways stamped with phrases like Willkommen or Prost to set the tone as guests arrive. Add large paper lanterns in coordinating colors, or homemade lanterns from recycled beer cans with LED tea lights to add twinkling ambiance as night falls. Varying heights and textures make these hanging visuals come alive, turning any space into festive Bavarian terrain. If your space isn't outdoor friendly, I'd love to know. Comment your indoor setup. What lighting can capture that cozy, rustic Oktoberfest feel? Lighting sets the mood. Begin with long strands of Edison-style bulbs hung in sagging arcs to mimic beer garden warmth. Use wooden poles or shepherd's hooks dressed in greenery to support these lights and define areas like food stations or seating clusters. Illuminate table surfaces with LED candles inside mini beer steins or mason jars lined with burlap and tied with blue ribbons, creating gentle pools of light. Consider ground-level uplights to cast a soft glow on tent sides or walls, mimicking outdoor festivity charm. In all cases, use warm white LEDs to avoid harsh light or heat that might tip over decor or melt treats. This ensures your festival remains pleasant and snug into the evening. Why are centerpieces critical for festive tables? Centerpieces are the visual focal point and set the tone for celebration. Place small wooden crates or miniature beer steins at intervals, and fill them with wildflower arrangements in autumn hues, sunflowers, dried wheat, blue thistles, to echo Bavarian fields. Add sprigs of faux barley or wheat trails spilling onto the table edge for texture. Nestle-themed decor like mini pretzels on skewers, individual beer mug votive candles, or honey pots for honey mustard nearby. Wrap small chalkboard frames in burlap ribbon, and write each table's festive name, tract crew, Gemütlichkeit group, Bratwurst brigade, to add personal flair. These layered touches create depth and string together texture, color, and tradition. How do you design a festive, functional seating and kitchen area? Use long banquet-style tables draped with checkered or solid linens and set wooden benches on either side for communal dining. Keep serving platters off to the side or on a nearby buffet, and add large wooden crates or barrels to elevate beverages, beer steins, pitchers or glass bottles, prominently displayed for guests to grab. Add hay bales near seating or at entry points for surprise perches that can be decorated with blue pillows or cozy faux fur throws. Signs labeled food, drinks, or desserts, etched onto oval wooden boards, ensure guests know where to pick up their pretzels or brats. Place napkin dispensers and condiment caddies in the center so sharing feels communal and cheerful. Which food station setup are you thinking of using? Let me know below. How can DIY pretzel and beer stein garlands elevate the decor? Handcrafted garlands add charm and DIY pride. For pretzel garlands, string large foam or wooden mock pretzels, spray-painted in realistic golden tones, onto twine separated by small greenery clusters or white daisies. For beer steins, use lightweight materials like cardstock or foam cutouts, attached with ribbon or mini clothespins to jute rope. Hang these over bars, food stations, or along fence rails. Add mini chalkboard labels tied to each element reading Prost or Zum Wohl, so guests can grab a garland piece and toast it themselves. The playful nature of these elements doubles as both decor and interactive party moment. By layering festive pennants and lights, building zones for seating, serving, and photo fun, accentuating tables with florals and DIY garlands, and finishing with authentic German touches and thoughtful comfort details, you'll create an Oktoberfest celebration that feels immersive, distinctive, and deeply enjoyable. Start by focusing on one area, like a photo wall or snack station, and build outward. Before long, your space will feel less like a party venue and more like a Bavarian beer garden under your roof.